Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have tamarind. Now this is a very sour fruit, as you can see. If you know the taste, you know the taste. And this is the fruit inside. The seed is of course inside, and we're gonna make a juice out of this. Now off the top of my head, the benefits I know it manages diabetes, it helps with weight loss, it's an anti-inflammatory type of fruit. It boosts your immune system, circulation, and digestive system. So it does have pretty good benefits, but those are the ones that I know off the top of my head. Of course, it does more things, but I don't know it. But today we're gonna make a juice. Now I like sour tamarind. Sour tamarind is very, very, very good. I love it. I hate the sweet tamarind, and let me get it. This is sweet tamarind. I have it with the gimmick. So as you can tell, sweet tamarind is more rounding and sour tamarind is more flat. Now I did get these two from the store, so I don't actually have the plant, which I'm very sad about, but it's alright, it's okay. So now all we're gonna do is unshell all the sour tamarind and put it in a bowl. I prefer glass bowls for multiple reasons why. I do not want to make the juice and have it tasting a little bit like metal. And I can see everything that's happening, everything that's going in, and all that. So this is how you deshell tamarind. I wouldn't really too much worry about taking these out because it's gonna come off anyway. We're not gonna use it. We just need the fruit inside. Of course you want to take off the outer layer, but if you can't, I wouldn't stress myself about that. So this is how it's looking so far, as you guys can see. So if you want, you can eat it. I will suck on it, and then the seed is inside. Let's see if I can take it out. I can't take it out, it's so sticky, but it's alright. I'll show you guys later. So So let me deshell these and I'll be right back. So you guys, I'm almost done. So I got 3 more left, so I might as well like crack them on camera. Whoops. On there. Look at that. That's beautiful. This will be like a really fun activity if you got like little ones and you don't feel like sitting there and doing it. Tell them to do it. They won't get hurt or anything. Well, but always supervise, I'm just saying. So if you were eating it, you would take these off. Just eat everything around it and make sure do not eat the seed. Keep your seeds. You can grow your own trees, so you don't have to keep going to the store and keep buying them and all of that. But keep your seeds. It's very important. Make money off of your fruit that you buy. Like seriously. Okay, so I'm gonna save all this for compost. So this is my tamarind. Everything looks good. Nothing looks dehydrated or anything. So now I'm gonna boil water. I'm gonna boil water in this pot. I am looking into clay pots, and the reason why, I saw some Rastas. Now I'm not a Rasta. Some people mistaken me for a Rasta. I'm not. I don't identify myself as a Rasta, but you guys can if you want to. Anyway, I was watching some Rasta videos, and they were saying that they do not cook anything in a metal pot because it's not natural. Even though metal is from the ground, but I understand what they're saying. Metal, they have to take it, do stuff to it and everything. If you take clay pots or anything that you could structure from, I guess, the dirt, use it is good. So they cook their stuff in clay pots and eat their stuff in wooden bowls. Since I don't have it, but I am looking into it, but I don't have it, I'm going to be forced to use these. But I will do some research and update you guys. So now I'm going to boil my water, and I'll be right back. So there's actually 2 ways you can do this. You could take your water, your filtered water, and put it in there and let it sit for hours, or you could boil the water. This is my favorite way because I like to boil the water and make sure I get everything out. So I got my water here. I do have a filter system, but if you don't have any a filter system, I suggest you buy the water purified. Now this is from, I made an accident, so you guys, if you see something burnt, like it looks burnt at the bottom, it was an actual accident from another fruit that I was doing, but that's why it looks like that. But be careful with your pans. If you scrape out the bottom, the chemicals release into your food, so that's not what you want to do. But I'm going to boil the water right now, and let me clean this up. Okay, so now I got my strainer. I put my tamarind over my strainers. Now with the hot water, I do not want to boil the water all the way where it's fully boiled. I just let it boil, get it like hot enough. You guys understand what I'm saying? So now I'm going to pour, well actually I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take this one out because this is unnecessary to keep the whole thing in there for that small piece. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the hot water on here. Now I like to do this over the strainer because I want to loosen up the top and let it cool down. Now I'm going to put it back in there and let it sit. Do not put your strainer away yet because you will need your strainer again to strain everything out. So we're just going to crush it up since the water is hot enough. Also, I do not like to boil the water all the way is because I do not want to kill the seeds. So we're gonna loosen up all that good stuff. Now the reason why I like sour tamarind, it does give me a lemon taste. That's the taste that I particularly taste. I do not like the sweet tamarind. It's way too sweet for me. I'm not really a sweet person. If you ever offer me ice cream, of course I'll eat ice cream. I love ice cream, but I like sorbets, like lemon or a lime. Like those type of tastes. I drink lime water and lemon water every morning, so you could tell I really like it. I like sourdough bread. Speaking of sourdough bread, I'm going to show you guys this bread that has no flour, no nothing. It's just grains, and it tastes just like sourdough bread, and it tastes really good, and it's at Whole Foods. But that will be coming up in my new video of grocery shopping healthy 101. So you see how it's like loosening up. You can start seeing all the texture. Now we're gonna let this sit for a little bit, and I will come back when it's ready. So it will cool down, and then all the juice will get out of it. Okay, you guys. So I let my tamarind sit in the water. Now I know what you guys thinking. Why is there plastic around it? I know I did not cover the bowl while the water was hot because that is bad for the chemicals to seep in. So I covered it right as soon as it cooled down so it could sit for a few hours. So you see how the water has turned brown. All this is turn brown, and now it's easy to mush up. We have broken it, so you see that. All right, so now we're gonna strain it. So I have cleaned off my bowl, and now I'm going to add in my tamarind again into a strainer, the strainer that we used previously. Put all that in there. So the juice from the tamarind is in here. I separated it because I want to get all the extra stuff on here. Some people, what they do, they reboil back water and keep doing it until all of this is done, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to pour the water on here. Also, I don't want this to overflow, and I'm going to smush everything. And I like to do this over a strainer so it could be easier. And I like to fill it so the water is right here, so it'll be way easier to smush. Now I'm gonna take my hands. Make sure your hands is clean before you do this, and try to pop out as many seeds as you can. So let me show you guys how the seeds look like. So the seeds will be black. Oh, the seeds will be black. It will look like that, and separate it. So I'm gonna separate all the seeds, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I removed all the seeds, so this is what I have left, and I'm just going to keep smushing for a little bit. And I don't need the rest. See, I'm missing a seed. So if you have the patience to take out every single seed, do it. I have patience, so I'm missing 2. This doesn't bother me. Alright, but just keep smushing it. So I rinse my seeds, all my seeds, and this is how it looks completely rinsed. If you guys can see that. So I'm going to set those out on a paper towel to dry. And this is the rest of the juice. So I'm going to put juice I had in earlier. Alright. And that is my tamarind juice. Alright. So if you want, you can add some sugar if you want to, or some lime, or some fruit, you know, and just drink it on a hot summer's day. Call it a day. And that's how I make my tamarind juice, and I hope you guys could make it too and take the time to pick out every single seed. So you guys make sure you check out the description box, and have a nice day. Bye.